I'm in with NuGrow. We got a lot of reviews out there. Shout out to Tia and Dinah and the rest of you guys. You guys are awesome. Just going to give a brief tutorial on two of our sprays. Right here I have our moisturizer spray, made for everyday use, made for all hair types. Just spray it directly on your hair. If you shake it up first, made for once a day. If you have chemicals in your hair, if you don't have chemicals in your hair, if you have hair color, awesome, awesome, awesome. Also, I want to show off our oil-free spray, made for all hair types as well. Those whose hair makes a lot more oil than others will find this product more useful for them than our other products. And if you have chemicals or colors in your hair, we ask that you apply directly to the scalp. It's made for your scalp, and wait 2 weeks after any chemical services have been done to be applied to your scalp. Just go just like this. Now I may sometimes, after I shake it, just dab it on my scalp just like that. Now if you guys have any questions, you guys can reach us at 318-683-3223, or you can email us at info.nugrow@gmail.com. Of course, our website is nugrowhairproducts.com. We got a new website for you. Thank you.